चलो शुरू करते हैं NCERT बायोलॉजी क्लास 11th चैप्टर 4th एनिमल किंगडम के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs। अगर आपको इस चैप्टर का डिटेल माइंड मैप चाहिए जो एग्जाम टाइम पर रिवीजन में काफ़ी काम आएगा, तो जाओ smartylearn.com पर लॉगिन करो और सभी NCERT चैप्टर्स के स्मार्ट माइंड मैप्स फ्री में देखो। लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, चेक इट आउट।
Which of the following levels of organization is exhibited by sponges where cells are arranged as loose cell aggregates? Cellular level. Radial symmetry is commonly observed in adult animals belonging to which of the following phyla? Echinodermata. Animals in which the developing embryo has three germinal layers, an external ectoderm, an internal endoderm, and a middle mesoderm, are known as triploblastic. The body cavity which is lined by mesoderm on all sides is termed as coelom. Metameric segmentation, where the body is externally and internally divided into segments with a serial repetition of at least some organs, is a characteristic feature of Annelida. The defining feature that distinguishes chordates from non-chordates is the presence of a notochord. Choanocytes or collar cells, which line the spongocolon canals, are characteristic of animals belonging to the phylum Porifera. Cnidoblasts, specialized cells containing stinging capsules called nematocysts used for anchorage, defense, and prey capture, are found in Coelenterata. The phenomenon of bioluminescence, the property of a living organism to emit light, is well marked in members of which exclusively marine phylum Ctenophora. Flame cells are specialized excretory structures found in which of the following phyla, helping in osmoregulation and excretion? Platyhelminthes. A complete alimentary canal with a well-developed muscular pharynx and a pseudocoelom are characteristic features of the phylum Aschelminthes. Jointed appendages, a chitinous exoskeleton, and a body divided into head, thorax, and abdomen are typical characteristics of phylum Arthropoda. A soft and spongy layer of skin forming a mantle over the visceral hump, and a file-like grasping organ called radula for feeding, are found in Mollusca. The presence of a water vascular system, which helps in locomotion, capture and transport of food, and respiration, is the most distinctive feature of Echinodermata. Animals belonging to Hemichordata possess a rudimentary structure in the collar region similar to the notochord, known as stomochord. Which of the following subphyla of Chordata is characterized by the persistence of the notochord from head to tail region throughout their life? Cephalochordata. Members of class Cyclostromata, such as lampreys, are characterized by a sucking and circular mouth without jaws. Chondrichthyes, or cartilaginous fishes, typically possess which type of scales on their skin? Placoid scales. The presence of an air bladder, which regulates buoyancy, is a characteristic feature of which group of fishes? Osteichthyes. Amphibians are characterized by a three-chambered heart and respiration that can occur through gills, lungs, and skin. Reptiles are poikilodermous animals whose body is covered by dry and conified skin, epidermal scales or scutes, and they typically have a three-chambered heart, except crocodiles, and lake Ledoic eggs. The most unique characteristic features of aves, birds, include the presence of feathers and forelimbs modified into wings and pneumatic bones. The most unique mammalian characteristic, distinguishing them from other vertebrates, is the presence of mammary glands and hair. Which of the following is an example of an oviparous mammal? Ornithorhynchus platypus. Acoelomate animals, which lack a body cavity, belong to the phylum Platyhelminthes.
Subscribe now.